Moi everyone and welcome to Finish Your Plate. I've covered Finnish street food before, like for example makkaraperunat, but the sandwich I have in front of me is called the Porilainen, named after the city of Pori. Now, of course, not many Finnish cities can boast that they have a sandwich named after them, but Pori does have one. This is a bologna sandwich that has been grilled, and it used to be pretty popular, but it's kind of fallen out of fashion over the past few years. It's very easy to make though, and it is very tasty, and I'm going to show you how to make it yourself. Typically, Porilainen is made with jagdwurst, but that might be a little bit difficult to find in the US. So I have here some bologna, which is a little bit on the coarser grind. And then you need some sort of bread. I have here Kaiser roll that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to split this roll in half. And controversially, I'm just going to put a little bit of mayo on both sides. I'm using QP mayo. You could use any kind of mayo, of course. Just going to spread this, or you could butter the roll as well, because we're going to toast it, and this is going to help it toast a little bit better. And now I'll just open my bologna. And what I'll do is I'll just slice off a very good sized slice, maybe about half an inch, 3/4 of an inch thick. Now we're going to go ahead and grill these. So you can see my grill is hot already. So I'm going to put the bread buttered or mayo side down, and then put the piece of bologna next to it, and then we're gonna grill this. We'll just keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn. Most likely the bread will end up burning first. So that's what you want. You want those grill marks on the bread. Okay, the bologna, it can still cook a little bit longer. While my bologna is still grilling, I'm just gonna dress this bun. So dress it like you would dress your hamburger. Here's the bottom piece, here's the top piece. So some people like lettuce, maybe some onions, tomatoes, and of course the always so ubiquitous pickle and paprika mayo. On mine, I'm just going to put some of the mayo on the bottom. A little bit of both. Put a little mustard pickle on the top. A little bit of ketchup, and put a few onions, tomato, and a couple pieces of lettuce. I think the most traditional version only has mustard, ketchup, and pickles and onions. Now our bologna has been frying and it's done. We're just going to place it on top over here. And we're going to place the top of the bun carefully. There we go. And we're going to wrap this in a parchment paper. Wrapping sandwiches in parchment actually serves a purpose other than just pure visual. It'll help the sandwich stay together And it also allows the sandwich to rest inside, and that will make it a little bit juicier. And here we go, Finnish bologna sandwich, Porilainen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.